let's go enjoy the uhu. Yay.
I've seen the uhu cooked before.
Yes, yeah, I know. Let's go eat it. We paid for it already. Thank you.
Yay.
Nice people over at Seafood City. Let's go. Yay.
We got the uhu.
Buy uhu from uhu into our stomach. Yeah?
Yeah.
We're excited, people.
I've never seen a uhu.
Huh?
It's actually pretty heavy.
It's pretty heavy. It's a 5-pound fish.
Actually, it's not that heavy.
Over 5 pounds. Well, they took the gut out, so less than 5 pounds. But that's your first uhu.
Yay!
Yay! Gonna eat a beautiful looking fish, and we're gonna take you on that experience. Because I've always wanted to try uhu.
The beautiful fish got cooked.
They're cooked and crispy, chopped in pieces. So we just walked past the registers, and we're gonna see if Mr. Security Guard here is gonna stop us because we're already paid him back. You guys know that. And see what he does here. We'll ask him. We were paid him back. Yeah, they made us pay because it's $50. Yeah, he's checking us. Wait, we look trustworthy.
Yay! Oh my God. It's hot.
Ooh-hoo, you-hoo, you-hoo-hoo. Let's go sit over somewhere and open the fish up.
Let's go sit in the car.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ooh-hoo time, as we call it, yoo-hoo time. Let's see, we'll eat this car again.
I see some.
Oh no, I see some legs.
I know. I see some long, gigantic Mongolian legs. Hello, man. Guess what this fish is? A blue fish. What's it called? Ooh.
Guess how much it weighs?
5 pounds. $50. Oh shit! Really? $9 for each pound.
Let's eat.
It's burning hot.
Oh, look at that ooh-hoo right there. It doesn't look like an ooh-hoo anymore, but
It doesn't.
no, look, it's nice. It smells so good and crispy, fresh. This is the freshest ooh-hoo we found. You know, it's a pretty big fish. I've never buy a 5-pound fish before.
Out of bones.
Got lots of bone, I guess. I don't know. So this is what the ooh-hoo looks like. You can tell it's the ooh-hoo because it's still got the green tail. We're gonna eat on top of the hood of the car because we cannot wait to find a table and a chair. So we're gonna eat right now. Let's try it, people. We are the hungry family and we're super hungry, can't wait. So we gotta eat on top of the hood. A little hand sanitizer before we eat. All right, so you wanna dig in first? I will.
You will.
Okay, so I got a hand sanitizer in this hand, and I'm gonna blow dry. It's hard to use chopstick with one hand. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's got some bones. I heard. Look at that bone. Oh, crispy. The girl helping us fry, rung us up. She asked if I'm a YouTuber, and I said yes. And she goes, "Well, I'll make it good for you." So let's do it. Mmm, it's good. Try it. Try. Sweet.
Wow.
Pretty tasty for a beautiful fish.
Mm-hmm.
So now we can say we've eaten
The yoo-hoo.
ooh-hoo, yoo-hoo.
Yeah.
To us, it's the yoo-hoo. Mmm.
That's really good.
Mm.
Oh.
It's good?
Smell.
First time trying ooh-hoo, huh? All right, there you go. We tried ooh-hoo. What do you think? Yeah, would you eat it again?
Yeah.
It's super good. All right, so time to put the camera down and use both hands and devour this ooh-hoo.